Yo, what is good, YouTube? We're back with another video. If you guys are not in the free Discord, go join it. It is the first link down below. This video is going to be a how to set up a Notion trading journal, right? If you don't want to pay for TradeZella or any other payment ones, then I'm going to show you guys a free template that you can create for free with Notion, right? So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the Notion website, whatever it is, and download Notion. Right, after you do that, you're gonna load up this app, which is Notion. You're gonna load that up. First thing you're gonna want to do is create a new page. So click add a page, and then from here we can name this trading journal. Okay, after you've done that, you're gonna want to take a look down here at the bottom. You're gonna want to click on table, right? It's gonna open up this section. Right, and then we're going to be able to add a bunch of things. There may be things that you want to add that I'm not going to add. There may be things that you don't want to add that I'm going to add, right? After you have done that, click table. The next thing you're going to want to do is go to this, right? It should load this up automatically, this name right here. And you're obviously going to want to do this, right? Ticker, and then we'll say that we traded NQ this day, okay? After you've done that, the next thing you're going to want to do, because the next section will automatically be put there, is click this add button, go to calendar, and then have this laid out. The calendar is going to be able, every time that you journal a trade, it will get added to this calendar, so then you can see like the months that you have taken trades and stuff, right? And then obviously right here you see that it made the date, right? And then we'll say that we took a trade on January 2nd. Which is tomorrow. Okay, and then you're gonna want to move this. Don't move it too far over, it's gonna get ugly. Always keep it so it's all one row. After you've done that, the next part is gonna be where the fun starts, right? Where you're gonna be able to add whatever you want, right? You're gonna want to keep clicking this add section and add everything that you want to add. Okay, so it's gonna load up a bunch of things that you can put in here. But the main things that I would put in here is go to this multi-select, right? Multi-select, rename it. We'll do bias, right? So we'll put bias in here, okay? And then, oops, sorry. Bias, check. And then you're gonna wanna go to edit property. After that, it's gonna load this up, click add option, and then we can do long, short bias, okay? And then you can change the colors by just clicking on them. And then we'll do green for long and then red for short, right? Boom. And then whenever you click on this, we'll say that we went short this day, right? Because I like shorting more anyways, right? Then you're going to put that there. Now, the next is going to be if you want to put a P&L. Okay, so you can either do text or number, but you can then put $125, right? And then if you lost, you can put what? Minus 125. Okay, so we'll say that we lost 125 bucks. Move it over, and then you can go to multi-select again and name it win or loss, right? Win, loss, right? And then you can just keep adding things that you want to add. Okay. Move that up and then put this over here. We'll say that we lost since it's a minus. And then the next thing that you're gonna want to add is URL. Okay, so it's gonna put this up here, but I would put this after you're done adding everything that you want to add in here. I'd put this at the end, because once you take a trade, let's say that you take it on TradingView, okay, you can go up to the top right on TradingView and then mark out everything that you did and why you took the trade, and then put your win or short or long bracket thing on TradingView, and then copy the URL and put it in here. And then every time that you take a trade and put the URL in here, you can just click that and it takes you straight to the trade. Okay, and then anything else that you want to put in here, P and L, right? What else could we do? We could do risk to reward, right? 1R, 2R, 3R, so on and so forth, right? We'll say that it was a 2R trade, and then put it in here. right? So it is a very simple thing to do. And then obviously, it's gonna have the calendar here. Now, let's see if I remember how to do this. Okay, so it took me like 10 seconds to figure this out because I haven't journaled for a while. But once you get to this calendar menu, you're going to want to go to these three bars right here. These three little circles. Click that. Go to properties. And then every single one that you want shown, just go click it, right? So we don't want the date to be shown because it's already on there, right? So you just keep clicking these eye emojis. Okay, and then you can rearrange them, put the P&L last, win, loss, bias, short, outcome, win or loss, and then boom, it's all right there. You don't really need the URL, but if you want to put it there, you can. And then after you do that, you can click on it and then go down here at the bottom. You can write something as in notes. You can put your notes in here. Took short off previous day high, displacement lower, SMT, fair value gap, short. Boom, right? Unlucky, took a loss. All right, that's it. Okay, and then obviously if you want to add more things, you can go over to this table, click add, and you can mess around with some of this, whatever you want to add in here. Checkbox, you can put that in there. Did I follow rules, right? If you did, check mark it, boom, done, right? So you can just keep messing around with this stuff. You can add as much as you want. You can take away, and if you want to keep adding more, you just keep adding a new page down through here. Gold, oil, ES, right? ES, and then keep clicking the dates, bias, win or loss, P&L, right? It's this simple. If you want a free Notion setup, this is all that you have to do. You can add whatever you want. You can take away whatever you want. And then obviously you do want these too, because the calendar is going to show you how much you have made during the week, right? And then you can come over here to Saturday and put in total P&L equals $3,400 for the week, right? That's how much you're up on the week. I don't think you can change the color or anything, but yeah, that's going to be it for this video. A very short video. Next week we will start to hop back into the charts and start going over ICT concepts. So I hope you guys enjoyed this simple video. I'll see you guys next Monday. So hope you guys had a good holiday week and you are ready to start killing it next week come Monday. So I'll see you guys then. Peace.